Okay, this is question 9 on the higher non-calculator paper. As with all questions, read the question carefully first. You can see that they've given you a graph. They've got two triangles on it, A and B. The question says describe fully. So they want you to make a full description of the single transformation that maps triangle A onto triangle B. So basically they want a transformation that's going to move triangle A to triangle B. Right, now be clear where you're going from. You're going from A to B, and they want a transformation. Now, you should know the transformations. There are 4 of them. So the transformations. There are 4. The 4 are rotation, reflection, enlargement, and translation. If you don't know what these mean, you need to go away and learn it. And you need to learn how you describe each one. Okay? You need to decide which one of those 4, right, apply to this. Which one of those 4 could be used to go from A to B? Well, it's definitely not an enlargement because they're the same size. Is it a translation? Well, no, it's not a translation because you're not moving it across, and they need to look exactly the same, in the same orientation. Is it a reflection? Well, you're not reflecting it, right? I can't see a line of reflection that would actually flip it from one to the other. And I think it should be pretty clear to you that it is going to be a rotation. And how do we describe a rotation? Well, to describe a rotation, you need several facts. You need to say what angle you're turning it through. You need to say what the center of rotation is, and you need to say what angle you're turning it through. Oh, which direction you're turning it through, clockwise or anti-clockwise. But the first mark comes from saying that it is going to be a rotation. It's going to be a rotation. What angle are you turning it through? Well, I could tell by this, just by looking at it, I could tell that that's going to be the center where it's going to be rotated about. And I'm going to just try it. I'm going to put my cross there. I've traced around A. I've used tracing paper. So in the exam, ask for tracing paper. And then if I turn this around, right, I could see as I rotate it, it lands back on B. Right, so that is a rotation. It's definitely a rotation, and it does work, going from A to B. Alright, what's the angle do I need to turn it through? It's turning through half a turn. If you're not sure about that, draw a line there and look at how the line turns. The line is turning through 180 degrees. So I think I have enough information to help me answer this question fully. It's a rotation. It's turning through 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Center is that coordinate there. So along the corridor up the stairs, the center of rotation is 3, 3. And now, do you need to say that it's going clockwise or anti-clockwise? Well, in this case, you don't, right? Because it's going through half a turn. If it went clockwise or anti-clockwise, it would still end up there. So if I turned it clockwise, it would still end up on B from A. If I turned it anti-clockwise, it would still end up there as well. So clockwise or anti-clockwise, it still ends up there. So you don't need to say whether it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. And my pen's made a bit of a smudge on there. That's no problem at all. Those are the 3 marks. Rotation, it's going through 180 degrees, and the center of rotation is 3, 3. That's 3 marks, 3 pretty straightforward marks. Make sure you do get them.